So right now, we can store several values within a list. But what if instead I wanted to add, remove, or just overwrite values? Well, don't worry, Python has you covered. So continuing from the last video, here's the list that we have so far. And let's start with adding values. So let's say I wanted to add the idea automatic wildlife spotter to the list ideas. So the way I do it is I write ideas, which is our list, then dot append, then in brackets, the idea. So in our case, automatic wildlife spotter. So then if I was to print the list ideas, we can see that at the end of the list, we have this automatic wildlife spotter. But what if instead I didn't want to put an idea at the end of the list, I wanted to put it, say, at the second index. So the way we do that is we'd use the insert function. So we do ideas.insert, then brackets, and we would actually put two values in here. The first value is the index, so we wanted to insert to the second index, and then the second value is going to be the item. So in this case, the idea will simply be go outside. So now, if we run this, we can see that go outside here is not at the last spot in the list. If we count, it's actually at the first, second, third spot in this list, which corresponds to the second index. But let's say I change my mind, I don't just want to go outside, I want to go to a park. So to overwrite things, let's go into the shell, and to overwrite a normal variable, we say a variable like a is equal to 1. So this is just 1, and to overwrite this, I would just say that a is equal to 2. And when we check, a is now 2, but it used to be 1. So for variables, we can just redefine it like this, and you can do it very similarly with lists. So if we go back into our list, if we wanted to change this go outside with go to a park, then we can say ideas, and then at index 2. So we're just going to get the item that says go outside, which is at the second index, so it's just ideas, then 2. Then it's going to be equal to go to a park. Just to show you what this is going to do, I'm actually going to print this list twice. So now if we were to run this, so we've actually printed the list twice, but if we look here, the first time we printed it, it says go outside, because we originally inserted go outside, but then we overwrote this go outside with go to a park. So if we look back into the list, at the same spot, we see go to a park.